So it's 4 a.m. in the morning on August, and I'm reviewing this video that we're going to be posting on YouTube on Secretary's channel in the next 24 hours, right? The editor sent it in, and sometimes I wake up this early to do work, but that's not the point. Now, I've heard these stories a million times, but today, listening to it at 4 a.m., something hit me. Now, I'm going to play the video before I continue the video. Just listen to this.
This is my first business. Literally, I got to 28 grand a month in 4-5 months from solving a problem for myself, closing a client, not being able to deliver for him because he didn't have money.
Now, I believe you heard the part where he said, I got to my first 28 grand a month in the first 4 or 5 months by solving a problem for myself. Now, I'm going to take that point and explain to you guys what it means. You know, sometimes a lot of people feel like running a business is easy, or running a business is something you can just start doing and then you start making money from it. No, it's not. It's not. Running a business is not sexy. It's not sexy at all, right? Now, I'm going to break it down. Now, first, Serge had a job that pays him comfortably 2K per month. And then he goes to this job, I think at Good Food, yeah. He goes to this job every month. He's certain of getting 2 grand a month. And then he quit this job to start his own business, went through courses, went through a lot of YouTube videos and all that. And he didn't make a penny, right? And he quit this job even when he wasn't prepared for it. You understand that? Because you're making 2 grand a month, there's not so much buffer to save from, if you get what I mean. So you can't have savings that can take you so long, right? And then you still have to spend money buying these courses and all that. So it's going to be on the savings, which means by the end of the first 30 days, you are now actually on $0, right? Now, and after the first 30 days, he didn't give up. He went for the first 60 days. Now, if you've gone broke before, you would understand that going broke is not sexy, right? And you would almost want to give up every single thing you're doing and just go be a janitor just to get some money, right? But that's not how business works. Business is like a jealous girlfriend. So you have to go all in, or you can't make it in business. It has to be all in or all out. You can't half-ass a business and expect to grow, right? Now, he went for 90 days. Remember, in the first 30 days, he's now running on $0 that he can't even pay for the bus, right? He has to depend on family paying for the internet. And by the 60th day, you're running on the help of family. You're feeding by the grace of family, right? He was feeding by the grace of family. By the 90th day, he was even in the basement, bro. Right? Just because every single thing that happens in the house with family would get to you so much just because you are so frustrated that you quit your job, and family would never support you quitting a 2K per month job. So everybody's yelling at you, why did you quit your job? So you can't even ask anybody for money. Just because everybody's like, yeah, okay, now you see what we're telling you. You shouldn't have quit that job. You should have stayed at the job and not quit. right? So we all know the feeling. If you have a family, right? So we all know the feeling. And then he still went further, 120th day, which is like the 4th month. No results. Like no results. $0 made from this dream, from this aspiration, right? And then from the 4th month, going into the 5th month, he made 28K. And that was his full 1 year payment at Good Food. But I don't want you guys to see the 28K. Don't see the win. See the 4 months, the 5 months of incessant grind, like of going blindly at something you don't even know would work. This is not, it's not sexy at all. Like, I just want you to take a second, think about it, and imagine how difficult that would have been. Imagine how frustrating that would have been. Like, trust me, some people commit suicide for way less, right? The feeling, some people commit suicide for way less feeling and frustration that they get. Imagine the rejections. Imagine the points where you need to tell yourself that you are the one that is wrong, because you need to tell yourself that you're wrong for you to improve, right? Imagine the nights where he sleeps in and think about going back to the job to tell them, please, please take me back, please. Right? But he didn't do it. And then he hit his first 30K a month, right? And from there onward, 6 months later, we're doing like 500K. 2 years later, we're like at $8 million, right? And then you now have all these other people. We have like over 20 different employees within the company. All of these other people benefiting from this one guy that decided not to give up, right? So that's how it is. That's just the difference between someone like Serge, someone like me, and you out there. Is that we refuse to give up, bro. We refuse to give up, even when it's not working. We refuse to give up, right? So that was my thoughts, and I just decided to like shoot this video, drop it on here. I wanted to make a reel, but I noticed if I should make a reel, it's going to be too long, just because you won't understand it as much, right? So yeah, and see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments if you're trying to run a business and you feel like it's not working out for you, or you're already running a business and then you feel like the business is going downhill and it's just chaos all around. You can let me know in the comments. I would do whatever I can to help you, but yeah, it is what it is. Go win, and don't give up. Trust me, a lot of people would benefit from that, right? And you know, that's the joy of being successful. The joy of being successful is not being able to have liquid cash or have money in your bank account. No. The joy is you look back at the struggle, and then you look at the people your business is helping. You look at family and you see that your business is what keeps this family running, right? So yeah, go win, guys, and see you guys in the next one. Ciao.